Go with the quiz number 4. Question number 1, I gave you acceleration. To find the acceleration, Bf minus Bi, Tf minus Ti. So Vf I gave you 6 meter per second, and Vi I gave you 16 meter per second, and Tf I gave you 4, and Ti I gave you 0. So acceleration is minus 10 over 4. So acceleration is negative 2.5. So I gave you 3 boxes. This is magnitude, this is SI unit, and this is of course the direction. Alright, so magnitude is 2.5, SI unit is meter per second square, and direction of course is the west, because negative means west. This is question number 1. Now let's solve question number 2 from the quiz. Question number 2, I ask you to also find the acceleration. So Vf square is equal to Vi square plus 2AD. So this is 14 square is equal to Vi I gave you 80 square plus 2A I give you D44. So 196 is equal to 64 plus 88A. 196 minus 64, 132 is equal to 88A. So A is 1.5. Of course I give you 2 box 1.5, and then SI unit, this is magnitude, and SI unit of course you're going to write meter per second square. This is question number 2. Quiz number 4, question number 3, 4, 5, they are the similar. So I'm going to do 3 over here, hopefully you'll see it, yeah, and I'm going to do 4 over here, and I'm going to do 5 over here, 4 and 5. So 3, you are on the rooftop minding your own business. All of a sudden you get attacked by a terrorist who is with a gun. So you have no choice but to jump so that you can survive. Hope. You jump with horizontal velocity 10 meter per second, and it takes you 2 seconds to land over here. Okay, so what I want you to find is the range. So this is called range. Range, another way of saying Vx, which is Vxt, which is Vx is 10 and T is 2, so 20 meters. Alright, so from here to here 20 meters. So you are landing, you did land 20 meters away from the edge of the cliff, so 20 meters. All right, so the second question, you mind your own business. Of course Vy is 0 because you're jumping with horizontal velocity, not the vertical velocity. You minding your own business. All of a sudden you get attacked by a terror who is also with the gun. Now you want to jump, you want to double the velocity. So Vx is 20 meters per second. All right, so what I ask you, how long is going to take to land? This one take 2 seconds, this one also take 2 seconds. Why is that? Is because Vy has to do with the time, not the Vx. And Vy, notice that Vy is 0 over here, Vy is 0 over here. In fact, if you jump with 200 meters per second, it still is going to take you 2 seconds. It's not going to take less than 2 seconds, even if you jump with 200 meters per second, because Vx doesn't affect the time. It's the Vy that affects the time, and Vy remain the same. All right, end of this story. So the time same time. Number 5, the last problem. You are minding your own business. All of a sudden, oh well, the 5 is the same thing as 4, but 5 I ask you to find the range. So this is double the range. So I'm gonna probably have to have the room, so make sure I have lots of room so I can do double the range. Okay, if this range is 20 meters, this range is 40 meters. Why 40 meters? 40 meters is because the range is equal to Vxt. So Vxt is the same, but not Vx. Vx is double. All right, that one is 10, this is 20, so 20, so this is 40 meters. All right, 40 meters.